Celpic P1 is a well-rounded portable printer for handling all your printing needs at home, in the office, or on the go. It uses inkjet technology but operates like a pen, allowing you to print photos, barcodes, QR codes, or just plain simple text on almost any porous surface, not limited to just paper. And it does all this right from the palm of your hand. New inkjet printing systems, such as this one, are extremely impressive in their versatility. The Celpic P1 supports printing at any angle, including horizontal and vertical orientation, and can switch printing direction from left to right and right to left. With a built-in line break function, Celpic P1 has the ability to print either in a single line or across multiple lines. Using the built-in microphone in your smartphone, the Celpic P1 app is able to turn your spoken words into text. The speech recognition is extremely high quality and you can print the results at the touch of a button. Moft Carry Sleeve is transcending the traditional laptop sleeve into an innovative 4-in-1 design. It provides the safety and protection of a sleeve and ergonomy of a laptop stand, the portability essentials of a storage bag, and the look that lets you commute in style. It's a wise carry-on solution for short-distance commuting, from the office to the cafe to school. Moft keeps your day-to-day adventures light and convenient. With Moft Carry Sleeve, you don't need to carry an extra laptop stand around with you. It's already there, making your work life healthier without anything extra. The Moft sleeve can be set at two angles, 15 and 25 degrees. Now browsing through your files and documents or having online meetings will be much more comfortable when your laptop is placed on the stand in 25-degree angles, which is highest angles among the sleeves. And if you work at a higher desk, the 15-degree is ideal for an improved strain-free view. Treo and Treo Pro are easy to use with a design that simply magnetizes to the back of any laptop as a solution for the working professionals, gamers, stock traders, entrepreneurs, coders, and students just like you. Treo is an upgraded plug-and-play solution for multiple monitor setup while you are on the go. You can opt for a dual screen to the left or right of your laptop monitor, or clip two Treo together for a triple screen viewing experience. The possibilities are endless. Treo provides a full 270-degree rotation so you can choose your optimum viewing angle for any situation. Lighter than its predecessor, Treo has a more compact design for the increased ease and mobility you need to move from workspace to workspace. The Blockwart brings many amazing features together and creates an ultimately advanced notebook. The Blockwart notebook is made of completely recycled materials and has non-transpirable, completely waterproof and tear-resistant paper, which is one of a kind. The cloud-based app makes it a must for your office. The notebook even has a pen with erasable ink. The cover of Blockwart notebook is made of water repellent to ensure that waterproof feature works perfectly. The notebook is made to be extra durable and tear resistant. With Blockwart, you are more than covered for a long time. Alfred is the world's first personal artificial intelligence assistant with smart and autonomous behavior. Alfred is a robot that follows you wherever you go, with the power to photograph, record, project, scan, listen, play, teach, and much more. This beautifully crafted device is a testing ground for the most advanced technologies. Its innovative design is compact, durable, and connects to your devices wirelessly, making it universally shareable and portable. It is very fascinating that a small device that fits in your backpack can become your indispensable assistant in everything and help you to become a pro in multitasking. Alfred has a built-in microphone which recognizes your voice and allows Alfred to listen to you and execute your commands. The device can scan and remember your face and body curvature to follow you wherever it's needed.